Ngozi. This is my brother Tafari. Hi. And this is our father.
Blessed.
And today we're joining in the mix.
This versatile, just mix it. Grace food drink is a big hit. Feel good, delicious, and it full of up, full of nutrients. Can't get enough. Up in the world, family, no flavors to choose from. Smooth vanilla, mix it your way. Tropical strawberry, mix it your way. Mixed berry, get ready. Grace food drink, pistachio, give me some. Mix it your way. Grace food drink, mix it your way.
Ready. All right, today I'll be making my special smoothie. And I'm going to use the Grace food drink, the tropical strawberry flavor. And this is the flavor the Super Twins are crave for. All right, so here we go. It's wonderful. It was a bit terrifying at first because, you know, double, then everything is double. Double the cost, double the expenses, but it's double the love. So I've added the ice. Can't have smoothie without the ice. Tafari is going to help me. Tafari, can you add that fruit? What fruit is that?
A banana.
Banana. They're always in the kitchen with me, especially Tafari. Tafari's first word was fooda. And even up to now, we still call him fooda. It was his word to say that he wants food. Anytime we hear him say fooda, we know that Tafari wants food. So we still call him fooda up to now. And Ngozi, she's in the kitchen now with me. She's learning. Because, you know, we have to let them learn. So Tafari, add that. Yeah, looking good already. And Ngozi, I want you to add the yogurt.
Okay.
Yep.
My favorite food
Nice.
is
That's good.
ackee and saltfish with rice.
Okay, my favorite food. That would be hard because I like a lot of food. I'm going to go with my grandma's special rice and peas with fish and vegetable like lettuce and cucumber and salad.
So what do you love from my cooking?
The fritters and the ackee.
Yeah.
Okay, something about Tafari. I can say a lot of things. Tafari is the younger twin. He loves to dance to Michael Jackson songs.
Rasta Jackson.
He's the sport twin. Tafari more likes like PE class. Math is his favorite subject.
And he loves to freestyle.
Yeah, he really loves to freestyle and rhyme.
Inna the mix, Super Twin, Majah Bless, come for give your lyrics again. Inna the mix, and you never seen a style like this. Alright, freestyle king inna the place, represent for grace, deal with the case. Yeah, we make smoothie inna ears. Number one in flavor and taste. Come on then, inna the mix, Super Twin, Majah Bless, come for give your lyrics again. Inna the mix, and you never seen a style like this.
It's like an earthquake, like it's just shaking.
Something smells good already.
Of course.
It smells good
Master
already.
chef in the kitchen.
Tafari, what's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is banana.
I think mine is mango or oti apple. Oti apple definitely.
All right. This family, we just love performing. You know, it's something that we use to pass our free time. And I didn't push this on them. This is something that they love as well. From Ngozi was around 2 years old. Her grandmother taught her prayer. It was on a plaque on a wall. And by the way she said it, it sounded as if it was poetry. So her mother said to me, could you write a poem for her? And that is how I wrote the poem called Hey Big Man. It was a poem that she performed in Parliament as well. But she's been performing that poem from 2 years old. What color you like? Green? Red?
I like green because green means go, yellow means slow.
Aha!
My speech in the Jamaican Parliament, the experience was awesome. Like, I got my voice heard.
All right, then Ngozi, what I want to do is to sprinkle a little bit of love.
Okay.
Yes. Some for me. If Tafari some.
Here you go, little bro.
Cinnamon powder.
Guess I can use the rest on mine.
Just sprinkle a little bit, man. Thanks for watching the twins, and I really showed you how to mix things up.
Remember to subscribe to Grace YouTube channel at Grace Foods.
Remember to try this and other recipes. Stay blessed and remember to always add a whole heap of joy in the mix.
Grace food drink, mix it your way, make you say it tastes nice, see? This versatile, just mix it. Grace food drink is a big hit. Feel good, delicious, and it full of up, full of nutrients. Can't get enough.